Here's today's Truth Bomb Tuesday. You cannot heal insulin resistance until you heal your liver first. I know that's a bold statement, but stay with me and let me explain. Your liver is supposed to be your metabolic command center. It stores fuel, it releases fuel, it balances your blood sugar, makes ketones, detoxifies alcohol, and manages inflammation. But here's the truth bomb. When your liver is full of stored sugar and stored fat, your body has no place to put anything. So what happens? Your blood sugar stays higher than it should. Your insulin stays higher than it should. And every carb day, every glass of wine, every little dietary setback hits you 10 times harder than it would hit someone with a healthier liver. Not because you're weak, not because you lack willpower, but because your liver is waving the white flag. And here's the part that no one talks about. If the liver is still overloaded, you can eat low carb for 7 days, feel great, and then one night of carbs and alcohol puts you straight back into insulin resistance. Why? Because alcohol jumps to the front of the metabolic line. The liver has to process alcohol first, always, which means fat burning and blood sugar regulation get put on pause. And if your liver is already struggling, that pause lasts even longer. So if you've been stuck in a cycle of doing great for a week, then crashing, feeling inflamed, picking up water weight, getting cravings again, here's the truth. It's not your diet that's failing. Your liver just hasn't healed yet. And until it does, your insulin resistance will keep roaring back every time your liver gets overloaded. The good news, though, the liver can heal, actually very quickly. It's the most regenerative organ in the body, which it has to be, right? Does so many important things. But it needs consistency, it needs low carb, and it needs enough time to drain the stored sugar and fat that created the problem in the first place. So your liver has been carrying the load for years. Now it's your turn to start supporting it. Give it time, and most of all, give it consistency. You'll be shocked at how quickly cravings drop, your energy stabilizes, your belly shrinks, and your blood sugar normalizes. You often heard me say on this channel, it's the last to go on in the visceral fat and it's the first place to come off. So heal the liver, everything else finally starts to work.